Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to fry perch fish. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need perch, okay? And here's what it looks like, guys. See that? Isn't that beautiful? And it has a skin on it. If you don't prefer to have the skin on it, you use a knife and just take that skin off of there, okay? All right. We're going to need perch. You're going to need pepper, lemon pepper, paprika, garlic powder, hot sauce, salt, and you're going to need yellow cornmeal. If you don't want to use yellow cornmeal, you can use a fish fry, okay? That's what I chose to use, is a fish fry. And what it is it's just cornmeal that they've seasoned, okay? And so what I've done was I've put more season in the cornmeal over here, and what I put in it was the pepper, lemon pepper, paprika, and garlic powder, and I've just mixed it up, okay? First thing that we need to do is, let me show you. Let me come over here, guys. I have oil heating up, okay? And we're going to check our oil to make sure it's hot enough by taking a little bit of this cornmeal and we'll put it in there. If it sizzles just like that, it's ready, okay? And I have that on a, let's turn back over here so we can bread it. I have that on a medium high, okay? All right. What we're going to do, let's go ahead, and I want to put a little bit of garlic powder on the fish, okay? Just a little bit of garlic powder, okay? I love the flavor of garlic powder on my fish, okay? Tiny bit of lemon pepper, just a tiny bit. Okay, perfect. And that's it. Okay, so we're going to coat this very well with the yellow cornmeal. Hold on, let's get closer. Just like this, guys, okay? Just coat it very well. You can't go wrong, okay? Just like this. And we're going to throw it in, okay? Throw it on in, okay? After I batter these up, I'm going to show you guys what the fish is looking like in the oil, okay? Who doesn't love fried fish, guys? Like, my family absolutely loves it. And normally when I have a fried fish, I'll do like French fries, tater tots, or fried potatoes and onions on the side with that. And hey, you got a meal. It's that simple, okay? Every once in a blue moon, I'll make macaroni and cheese to go with the fish, okay? You could turn this fish into a fish sandwich with lettuce and a nice slice of tomato on a nice piece of bread. Okay, let's put that in. I think, looks like I'll be able to put all 5 of them in, okay? All right, guys, let me batter it very well. This doesn't take any time at all, guys. All right, last one. And it's that simple. You don't have to use like an egg batter or anything to dip it in first before you put this on, okay? This sticks just fine with no problem, okay? See that? Shake your excess off, okay? See that? Just like that, guys. Very simple, okay? Now, let's go on over here to the fish. Okay, we're right in the pan, guys. Now, what you don't want to do, guys, don't take a fork or a spatula and go in and try to turn it and mess with it right now. Don't even touch it, okay? Because what will actually happen is the fish will start to float. When that fish starts to float, you know it's about ready, okay? So you don't even have to touch it, okay? Let it go, guys, and make sure you have your oil up on high. I have my oil up on a medium high, okay? All right? It smells so good. And now, when you cook perch, I like cooking perch because it doesn't smell your house. There are some fishes out there, some fish that you can fry, and boy, does it smell your house. I mean, your house will smell like fish for a whole week. But perch, it's not really fishy. So that's what my family likes about perch. I also like orange roughy and I like whiting. If you can use those fishes, guys, use the same recipe for it and you will absolutely fall in love with it. Let's go in a little closer. There we go. And we'll just wait for the fish to come up. And once it starts to come up, we'll keep a good eye on it, okay? Now what you also can do, guys, is you can take that fish and you can take catfish and you can slice it into like nuggets. And then you can have little, small pieces of fried fish. That's really fun to do, especially if you have like kids that are eating the fish. You know, they like bite-sized things. So you can always do that. That's a lot of fun. But we'll let this go for a few minutes and then I'll come back. Okay guys, we're back. Now this fish has actually been cooking for 10 minutes, okay? Now let's go in, see what it looks like. Look at this, guys. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, hold on. There we go, guys. And what I want you to notice is see how it's curled up some, which is just fine with me. The reason why it did that is because it's not ready yet, almost ready, okay? The reason why it does it is because it has that skin on it, okay? And when that skin is pulled tight by that oil, it'll curl up. But like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, if you do not want the skin, go ahead and take a sharp knife and just hold the end of that fish and just kind of fillet that skin off. It's very simple, but you want to make sure you have a filleting knife, a really sharp knife, okay? So it's simple to take the skin off, okay? And when you take the skin off, your fish will lay flat. It won't curl on you, okay? So we're going to let this go about 2 or 3 more minutes and we'll be ready to plate it up, okay? Give me a few minutes and I'll be right back.
Quiet, Dad.
Okay, guys. I am taking the fish out, okay? And I'm going to put it on a baking rack so it can drain, okay? If you don't have a baking rack, just put it on some newspaper, okay? Because you want that oil to drain off, okay? You don't want to bite down into an oily piece of fish, okay? And then burn your mouth, all right? So, look at this, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? And you wouldn't believe the taste. The taste is amazing. And now, guys, use the same exact recipe. Use this same recipe for any fish that you decide to use, okay? All right, there we go. Let me clean my stove off. Okay, guys. Let me show you what this looks like. Is that beautiful? Get a good picture in on that. Let me put that over here and then we'll get it plated up, okay? Give me just a second. Let's look at this, guys. Oh, is that beautiful or what? Let me turn this piece over so you can see. Woo, that's hot. Is that gorgeous? I'm only making a few pieces, guys, okay? Because it's just going to be me and my husband eating the fish. What better way? What better way to make a fish sandwich, guys? Look at this beautiful fish. Look at this beautiful fish. Let me get a plate out. I'm going to plate this up and I'll be right back. Look at this fish, guys. Is it beautiful? Is that fish right there beautiful or what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to grab a piece. I'm going to get this little piece right here. Woo-wee! You talk about some good eating, guys. You talking about some good eating. let's go ahead. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on there, on that bad boy. Woo! You have to have hot sauce on your fish. Okay? I'm gonna dig in and try this, and you guys let me know what you think. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. I'm going in. Oh, hear that crunch. Oh, woo! Look at this, guys. Oh. Look. Look at that, guys. Is it beautiful? Oh. Guys, I am not even kidding. This fish is so good, it'll make you want to smack somebody, guys. One more bite. Look at that. How about that right there? Ooh. You can put some malt vinegar on there, guys. So delicious, guys. And it only took a good 12-13 minutes to cook. And that's it, guys. And we have dinner for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Have a great night.